All right. Sorry, this video has been very long. If you have this packet, okay, look through the packet. I want you to find these two papers, okay? Where is the setting and character chat? Now, for second and third grade, I definitely want you to use words. I want you to use your words the best you can, okay? The first box here, you're going to write what the character looks like. So, what does our character cookie look like? Yeah, what are some things about the character's physical? How does the character look? This is the one I'm going to be interested in to see what you come up with. Words that describe this character. Words that describe this character. That's interesting, isn't it? How would you describe how this character is? All right, character's name, that's an easy one. What happens to the character? And do you like this character? A simple yes or no is not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for yes and why. Why do you like the character? Or no, and why not? Yes, I like the character because, you know, she kind of gets into trouble and I think that's kind of cute. Or no, I don't like the character because the character makes a lot of messes, right? Then this page. Where is the setting? Now, I want you to pick one of the settings from the book, right? I don't care which one it is. You may have to go back to the video and watch it again, right? Could be the bedroom or wherever this trash can is, right? The kitchen, the bathroom, right? But don't forget, part of the setting is the time. Time is part of the setting. And days of the week are time, right? Like today is Friday. That's part of the setting, okay? So in this book, these things happened on specific days. You could even pick the last day, right? The setting was, I don't know. The setting was a room where the cat bed is. But what day was it? It was Sunday. Tomorrow is Sunday, right? That's when he rested. All right, so that's what I want you guys to do. Get out your packets. Get that to me. Take pictures of it. Or if you can't take pictures, bring in the packet, what you've done when you turn in or pick up the next packets, which won't be next week. Next week will not be packet week, okay? You guys have already got your stuff, all right? All right. Have a good one. See ya.